All right, explorers. Now that we know how to select information, choose the correct notebook using from, and filter the rows using where, we have one more problem to solve. Sometimes the information we find is not arranged in a clear way. For example, we may have many tomatoes on the table. Some are big, some are small, some are red, some are green. But what if we want to arrange them neatly so we can see them better? In SQL, we use a special statement called order by. This reserved word helps us arrange the results in a particular order. For example, we can arrange tomatoes by size, or we can arrange them by color. We can even arrange customer orders by customer name. So order by simply means put the information in order. So explorers, let us look at our SQL statement again. Select star from customer.orders table, where tomato size equals big, and tomato color equals red. Order by customer name. The order by statement tells the computer to arrange the results after it finds the correct rows. So imagine we have 3 tomatoes in our basket for 3 customers. Instead of leaving them in a messy pile, we arrange them neatly. Maybe we arrange them by customer name. Or maybe we arrange them from biggest to smallest. That is exactly what order by does. It takes the information we selected and puts it in a clear order so we can understand it easily. Great job learning that. Now it's time for the fun part, the practice. You're going to try it yourself and see how it really works. You'll be interacting with Data Crew's SQL tutor by sending in your SQL statements. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we learn and get better. Ready to give it a try? Let's jump into the practical world. Hello, great explorers. It's time to sing our favorite song, the SQL song. Ready to sing? Let's go!
Select, select what we need, what we need, what we need. Select, select what we need from the table here. Where we choose the rows we want, rows we want, rows we want. Where we choose the rows we want, pick them nice and clear. Group by puts them all in groups, all in groups, all in groups. Group by puts them all in groups, neat and tidy rows. Having checks the groups we made, groups we made, groups we made. Having checks the groups we made, keeps the ones we like. Order by will sort it out, sort it out, sort it out. Order by will sort it out, A to Z or size. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer, let's all cheer. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer. We're data stars today. Select, select what we need, what we need, what we need. Select, select what we need from the table here. Where we choose the rows we want, rows we want, rows we want. Where we choose the rows we want, pick them nice and clear. Group by puts them all in groups, all in groups, all in groups. Group by puts them all in groups, neat and tidy rows. Having checks the groups we made, groups we made, groups we made. Having checks the groups we made, keeps the ones we like. Order by will sort it out, sort it out, sort it out. Order by will sort it out, A to Z or size. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer, let's all cheer. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer. We're data stars today.
Fantastic work today, everyone. Remember our tomato orders? We already selected the tomatoes for each customer. Great job. But what if everything looks a bit messy? That's where order by comes in. Order by helps us sort our data neatly. We can arrange things alphabetically, like sorting customer names from A to Z, or we can sort by tomato sizes, like small to big or big to small. So remember, order by helps us organize data in a clear order, by names, sizes, or anything we choose. You're doing amazing! Keep going, SQL stars! Awesome job finishing the lesson. Now it's time for a quick quiz. This is your chance to show what you've learned and have some fun. Don't worry, just try your best and remember, every question helps you get better. Ready? Let's go!